Lightning Link kits allow you to directly conjugate a label to your primary antibody. The kits are easy to use, requiring only 30 seconds of hands-on time with no spin or separation steps. In this video, we will demonstrate how to label your antibody using one of our Lightning Link fast kits. The kit contains lyophilized Lightning Link mix, a vial of modifier and a vial of quencher. Simply add 1 microliter of the Lightning Link modifier for every 10 microliters of antibody that you want to label and mix gently. Next, pipette the antibody modifier mix into the lyophilized Lightning Link vial. The process only takes about 30 seconds, and that's it! Now leave your antibody to incubate for 15 minutes at room temperature in the dark. Then add 1 microliter of rapid quencher for every 10 microliters of antibody used. Your conjugated antibody can be used after 5 minutes. With over 45 labels available, Lightning Link kits can be used to directly label primary antibodies for use in a variety of applications, including ELISA, flow cytometry, IHC, ICC, Western blotting, and many other applications.